MBA Crash Course, Data Analysis and Business Intelligence. Introduction. Welcome to the MBA Crash Course on Data Analysis and Business Intelligence. In this course, we will delve into the world of data, uncovering insights and extracting valuable information to drive strategic decision-making. Data analysis and business intelligence have become indispensable tools for modern businesses, enabling them to gain a competitive edge and fuel growth. Interesting stories and examples. Let's begin our journey with some captivating stories and examples that highlight the power of data analysis and business intelligence. Netflix's recommendation engine. Netflix, the popular streaming service, relies heavily on data analysis and business intelligence to recommend personalized content to its users. By analyzing viewing habits, preferences, and feedback, Netflix can suggest movies and TV shows tailored to individual tastes, enhancing user satisfaction and driving engagement. Amazon's dynamic pricing strategy. Amazon is renowned for its dynamic pricing strategy, which optimizes prices in real time based on various factors like demand, competition, and customer behavior. Through sophisticated data analysis, Amazon can set prices that maximize revenue and maintain a competitive edge in the e-commerce industry. Target's predictive analytics. Target, the retail giant, leverages predictive analytics to identify customer purchasing patterns and behaviors. By analyzing data from loyalty programs, online browsing history, and demographic information, Target can predict customer needs and send targeted marketing promotions, improving customer satisfaction and driving sales. Uber's surge pricing. Uber utilizes data analysis and business intelligence to implement surge pricing during peak demand periods. By analyzing supply and demand patterns in real time, Uber adjusts prices to incentivize more drivers to be available, ensuring efficient service and reducing wait times for passengers. Top 12 Techniques of Data Analysis and Business Intelligence. Now let's explore the top 12 techniques that form the foundation of data analysis and business intelligence. Descriptive analytics. Descriptive analytics focuses on summarizing and interpreting historical data to gain insights into past performance and trends. It involves techniques like data visualization, dashboards, and key performance indicators, KPIs, to present data in a meaningful way. Diagnostic analytics. Diagnostic analytics aims to understand the causes behind specific outcomes or events. It involves analyzing data to identify patterns, correlations, and relationships, enabling businesses to uncover the root causes of performance issues or successes. Predictive analytics. Predictive analytics utilizes historical data and statistical modeling techniques to make predictions about future outcomes. By applying algorithms and machine learning methods, businesses can forecast trends, customer behavior, and market demand. Prescriptive analytics. Prescriptive analytics goes beyond predicting future outcomes and provides recommendations on actions to optimize results. It combines historical data, predictive analytics, and optimization algorithms to suggest the best course of action for specific business scenarios. Data mining. Data mining involves discovering patterns and relationships within large datasets. It employs various techniques like clustering, association rule mining, and classification to extract valuable insights and discover hidden patterns that can drive decision-making. Text mining. Text mining focuses on extracting useful information from unstructured textual data. It involves techniques like natural language processing, NLP, sentiment analysis, and topic modeling to derive insights from emails, social media posts, customer reviews, and more. Business intelligence dashboards. Business intelligence dashboards provide a visual representation of key performance metrics, allowing decision-makers to monitor performance, identify trends, and make informed decisions. Dashboards typically integrate data from multiple sources to provide a comprehensive view of business operations. Data warehousing. Data warehousing involves the collection, storage, and management of large volumes of structured and unstructured data from various sources. It creates a centralized repository that enables easy access, analysis, and reporting for business intelligence purposes. Data visualization. Data visualization techniques transform complex data into visual representations like charts, graphs, and infographics. These visualizations help communicate insights and patterns in a clear and concise manner, making it easier for decision-makers to understand and act upon the information. Regression analysis. Regression analysis is a statistical technique used to model the relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables. It helps businesses understand how changes in one variable can affect another, allowing them to make data-driven predictions and decisions. Machine learning. Machine learning algorithms enable computers to learn from data and make predictions or take actions without being explicitly programmed. It is widely used in data analysis and business intelligence to automate processes, uncover patterns, and make accurate predictions. Data storytelling. Data storytelling is the art of presenting data in a compelling narrative format. It involves combining data analysis with storytelling techniques to engage and persuade the audience. By weaving a story around the data, businesses can effectively communicate insights and influence decision-making. Summary. In this MBA Crash Course on Data Analysis and Business Intelligence, we explored the fascinating world of data-driven decision-making. We learned about various techniques such as descriptive analytics, predictive analytics, data mining, and machine learning that empower businesses to uncover valuable insights from their data. We also discovered real-life examples of companies like Netflix, Amazon, Target, and Uber that have successfully leveraged data analysis and business intelligence to drive growth and enhance customer experiences. Remember, in today's data-driven business landscape, the ability to extract meaningful insights from data is a valuable skill. By mastering the techniques and tools of data analysis and business intelligence, you can make informed decisions, identify new opportunities, and gain a competitive advantage in the marketplace. Poem. In a world flooded with data streams, where insights hide like precious gems, data analysis and business intelligence unlock the secrets of their brilliance. Descriptive analytics paints a picture, visualizing data, making it richer. Diagnostic analytics digs deep and wide, uncovering patterns we cannot hide. Predictive analytics, a crystal ball, foretelling the future, answering the call. Prescriptive analytics, a guiding light, suggesting actions, making things right. Data mining delves into the unknown, discovering patterns, like seeds sown. Text mining extracts meaning from words, unveiling stories, like songs of birds. Business intelligence dashboards display metrics and KPIs in a visual array. Data warehousing, a repository grand, centralizing information at our command. Regression analysis, a statistical guide, understanding relationships, side by side. Machine learning, a path untold, teaching computers, making them bold. Data visualization, an artistic blend, charts and graphs, messages to send. And through it all, data storytelling, weaving narratives, compelling and compelling. So embrace the world of data and more. Let it guide your decisions to the core. With data analysis and intelligence bright, navigate the business world with insight. ******, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.